Hey y'all, so let's catch up. Basically, 2025 have started off rough and I am still recovering. I decided I decided to switch gears from illustration to go into 3D art. And a lot of things led me up to this decision, but basically, how do I explain it? Basically, I've been illustrating for a really long time, and I do still love it. I love making art, but making it my full-time job was a bit demanding on my mental health, and I decided that it just wasn't best for me to make it a full-time thing. So it's more a part-time now, and I'm okay with that. And I've been doing graphic design and illustration for so long that I just wanted to switch gears into something else. So in this video, you'll see me getting a little bit of studying done, and that's because I was doing some of my software engineering, web development classes I revisited my educational learning from my boot camp and from my last year of college. However, I also, during my last year of college, I took a 3D modeling class and I loved it. It is so crazy that during my last year of college, I feel like it's when I took the classes that I loved the most. And it sucked because I was graduating that year. You know, I had like 1 year left, 2 semesters. I was graduating and I was trying to take as many classes as I could outside of my regular fine art classes. And that's when I took 3D modeling, intro to the web. So I learned web development, UX design, and I learned 3D modeling. But I had already done most of my classes in graphic design because that's what my major was, graphic design and illustration. So 4 years later, after graduating, I decided to revisit some things that I learned while I was in college, revisit some classes that I really loved. So I revisited um, web development, which is why I did my boot camp, and then I revisited 3D modeling. So that pretty much catches you up to what I've been doing for the last month, almost 2 months, a month and some change. Um, I have big plans for my new 3D skills in the future, but for now, I'm just finding my footing. The break, like this 1 month break, wasn't I didn't intend to take a break, but it's definitely something that I needed. I've just been learning to learning myself, learning that I'm more dimensional than I thought I was, and that I have other goals, hobbies, dreams, things that I like outside of art and graphic design. So I hope you guys want to come along with me on this journey of learning 3D. I have Nomad Sculpt on my iPad, and that's pretty much what I've been doing. And I'll make a few videos of that. I'm a newbie. I'm a complete beginner. You understand? Like a complete beginner. So please don't don't expect nothing like really great, but because I'm learning, but we can learn together. I also got some new gadgets. So as you can see, I hope you can hear that my audio is better in this video than all of the rest of my videos. And that's because I have a brand new microphone and I also have a brand new video recording software. Technically, yeah. So I have the Hohem I no, yeah, the Hohem iSteady X3SE. So this is what I'll be recording most of my videos on now. And I did do a little unboxing in this video. So if I haven't gotten to the unboxing yet, then you're going to see it coming up. And if I have already passed it, then you already saw it. Yeah, that's pretty much what I've been up to, and that's pretty much the redirection of my YouTube channel. I really do hope you guys stick around. I'm also learning how to make my videos more cinematic, so they're a little bit more interesting to watch. But also, my videos is like a digital diary, so it's expect to see something real. Like expect to see a real person sharing pieces of her life when you come to my channel, because that's what I am. I got music because I really have not been up to much to anything, y'all. I just been trying to get my life on track for 2025 because it came in swinging. Okay, it was definitely playing Knuck If You Buck, and I wasn't ready. I wasn't ready for that. But they say you're supposed to stay ready so you don't have to get ready, but I was not ready. You know what I'm saying? I thought I was going to have like a soft girl era in 2025, but no, it came in swinging, and I'm like fighting for my life. But it's okay. It is okay, cause I have, you know, it's okay. Like my expectations for 2025 was to go with emotions, anyways. So I'm gonna square up, and we gonna go with emotions. But yeah, I hope you guys stick around for my channel. I will still be making art. Like I said, I'm gonna be doing it like part-time. It's still a hobby that I like and love. Still a hobby that I'm still gonna keep around. I love making art. I don't foresee myself not making art, and 3D art is still art. So I want to take a lot of my illustrations that I drew in the past and make them into 3D characters. So we'll see, because like I said, I haven't done a 3D class since 4 years ago when I was in college, and I didn't learn how to 3D sculpt characters. I learned more like objects and environments. So we'll see. But yeah, hope you guys stick around, and I will catch you guys in another video, which I need to get back on my content posting schedule, which is Thursdays and Fridays. I'm sorry, Wednesdays and Fridays. And today is Thursday that I'm recording this. So who knows, I might drop this video tomorrow. Anyways, bye y'all.